Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do another natural remedy video. In this video I want to show you how to use these natural remedies to have pink lips, pink soft lips. So in this remedy, the only thing you need a lemon. This is my lemon. You need honey. This is my honey. You need sugar. These are the ingredients that we need to have pink lips. So we also need a bowl where we're going to mix these three ingredients. It's a mask, it's a mask you're going to put on your lips for some time, like 30 minutes. So this honey helps in bleaching. It bleaches that part on the lips which is black so that it turns to another color. And also honey, when honey is combined with lemon, they make some component and then it helps in making the lips pink. So now let's start. We are going to first put some sugar here. So that's enough. And then we are going to put the honey. Also going to measure some teaspoon of honey. That's just enough. Then we're also going to put there some lemon. This is the lemon juice. So now we are going to mix them well. Mix the sugar and the honey and the lemon juice well. Yeah, it takes some time to mix the sugar very well into the honey and the lemon juice. This mask you can use it like daily, but to see good results it can take you a week. You use it in the morning and in the evening. So guys, this is the mask. It's now ready. You keep on mixing it well so that the sugar dissolves. It takes time, but after some time you get the perfect remedy. So when you're using this remedy, you have to put it on your lips and then you rub it gently around your lips for about 5 minutes. Please don't overdo it because you might again hurt yourself, because the lips have that soft delicate skin. So you do it gently for about 5 minutes, and after those 5 minutes you're going to get more of this scrub, and then you put it on the lips and it settles there at least for some 10 minutes. You'll have it for the 10 minutes. It will stick there, and then after the 10 minutes you're going to remove it with a wipe, and then you wash your lips with some warm water, and then that will be done. So after using your remedy, there is this Vaseline. It's called a Vaseline lip therapies. This is how it looks like. I want to share it with you. For those ones who know it, it also helps in getting pink lips. It's pink inside. This is what I normally use for my lips. After using your scrub and after washing your lips well, you apply this. It is like a lip balm. Instead of you guys using lipstick, you first leave alone the lipstick and then you first concentrate on using this Vaseline lip therapies. It helps so much. So that's all you need for the pink lips. Guys, don't forget to share your results in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For those also who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and families. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time. I love you.